Hi, my name's Sarah Wheeler. I'm a parent and educational psychologist, and I'm here to answer the all important question, how do I respond to defiance in my 3-year-old? So, toddlers are tricky. I have one at home. They have a lot of feelings, but they don't have the words to express them. Their job as their little brain grows is to try to figure out what their power is in the world. And so they act that out with you. The other thing that toddlers do that can be really challenging is sometimes they want to do two contradictory things at once, like playing in the sink but not getting wet. And that creates a lot of challenges for parents and a lot of moments where toddlers have their heels dug in and you're not quite sure what to do about it. So, a few tips other than just hang in there. The first one, of course, is to expect that this will happen. It's toddlers' jobs to test limits. Think of it as something that is helping their brain grow and helping them understand more about the world and how it works. The second tip is to pick your battles. So when you find yourself pushing a limit with a toddler and you realize that maybe it's actually something that really is safe or really is fine, like wearing pajamas to school or having their lovey at the dinner table with you. These things that might be kind of annoying, not what you'd envisioned, but okay, see if you can let that go and save your energy for more difficult moments. In those difficult moments, one thing to imagine is that you are a compassionate brick wall. So that means that you are going to acknowledge the feelings of disappointment, of frustration, and allow for those while setting your limit. So you can say, it's okay to be sad that we're not going to the park. Of course you're sad, and still not bend on whether or not you are going to the park. When you are trying to get out of those moments, and even just in little moments where everything's going fine, one thing that also really helps is offering your toddler choices to help them practice that agency and feel like they have a voice in nicer moments. So giving them choices just, at different times, like, do you want to sit here or here at the dinner table? Do you want to play this game or this game? And then when you're getting them out of difficult moments, saying things like, do you want to hold my hand to get back to the car, or do you want me to give you a piggyback ride? Right? We do have to brush your teeth. Do you want to start with the top of your teeth or the bottom? They can be tiny choices. Then the last thing that I would point out is to praise those small steps toward cooperation for a toddler. That's going to help them learn what you want to see more of and also feel proud of themselves. So as they're getting out of those tough moments, or again in serene times, saying things like, wow, I love how you stopped screaming. It's really great that you put on one of your socks, right? So just those little things, those steps, it's okay. You're growing that muscle for them and you want to encourage them and point that out. Good luck with your toddler, and thanks for listening.